Hey, I'm Anthony Ford with Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, and I'm here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I want to show you guys one of our existing lifetime deck armor systems. It's 2 years old, and it is a beauty of a system. Let's take a look at it. So Kong, we call it a lifetime deck armor system. We call it that because it comes with service and support for life, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. It's the world's toughest deck armor. It can be applied to decks and backyard structures, and it never needs full reapplication again. This is a double deck structure with a walkway in between, a wood walkway, and we did this 2 years ago. So this system, coating system on this deck, it's 2 full years old now. Okay. 2 years ago, we did something called disintegrating flaking deck stain lockdown encapsulation. These decks, they had a deck stain on them that was failing and flaking up off of them. And the owner was facing ripping all the boards up on the floor and having to replace them. Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, it has the ability to lock down and encapsulate peeling deck paint, flaking deck stains, all this stuff. So we came in and we did that encapsulation, the whole deck, the outside, the inside, everything. Saved the customer a huge hassle and a huge amount of home equity, if we're being honest. But I'm going to take you guys up and show you just how beautiful this coating system is 2 years later on this Cincinnati, Ohio deck. Now remember, before I take you up, remember, most deck coating systems that are 2 years old in Cincinnati are done. So they're done. They need completely redone. Okay. That's average. Most deck owners, within 9 months of painting or staining their deck, they face the realization that they're going to do it again. Within 2 years, for sure, they know. And then the national average for decks that are outside, that see all 4 seasons, is the need for complete painting or staining every 3 years. So this system's 2 years old. Let's go up and look just how beautiful it is. Let's go up. Up here. So here's our service plaque right here. You'll see this deck is protected by Kong Armor. It's got the company's phone number. It's got the company's website. Again, remember, Kong comes with warranty for life, a locally backed warranty, and a locally backed service promise. That's why we're here 2 years later. One of the things that we do under that service promise is something called annual cleaning, and we just washed this structure. So let's look at how beautiful we are 2 full years into the initial encapsulation. I believe we called this deck the double deck, and it is just stunning. The color here is Tennessee Cabin, and Kong is a high build, what we call ultra tough industrial elastomer. It encapsulates every surface that it's applied to and fills in nail and screw holes. It fills in board cracks, and it locks down and encapsulates peeling deck paint, disintegrating flaking deck stains, even peeling bare deck over, Rust-Oleum Restore 10X, Cabot Deck Correct. If it's peeling on your deck, any of those big thick ones, we can lock down too. But as you can see, 2 years in, we still have a fully protected, drop dead gorgeous, viable structure. I mean, it's just stunning, and it's excellence in deck coating technology and application is what far above anything that you could get from a local painter using thin residential deck paints and stains, a handyman, this type of individual. Kong, when we look at Kong and we we ask, how does it do that? How does it stand the test of time? Okay. Look at what it's done here to this deck in Cincinnati. These are nail holes. There's nowhere for the water to enter. Okay. This is a crack that used to be in this post. You can see the indentation of the crack. But Kong's application process, which smashes coating down into those cracks, leaves nowhere for water to enter at all, period. Okay, and what that does, once we cut the water entry out of these structures, the big thing is it slows down the expansion and contraction, and it keeps these coatings, and Kong's a thick, high-stretch coating that can put up with that expansion and contraction. But what it does on a large scale is it slows down weathering, and it keeps these coatings from busting open. It keeps Kong from busting open and cracking because it's not under that constant expansion and contraction cycle. Okay. The other thing is film thickness that's 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains. The UV rays that come down, they cannot go all the way through Kong and embed into the wood and cause what we call UV ray adhesion degradation. And so Kong can stand the test of time. What it needs is just like any surface on planet Earth that's outside. It needs washing once a year, okay? And then if there is any type of scuff or ding or anything like that, minor areas, because no surface is perfect. It needs a touch-up or two, right? And it comes with that for life. Like I said, it comes with a service promise for life, comes with a warranty for life. If the deck starts peeling up everywhere massively, the customer has labor and coating back resolution. Just a gorgeous structure here. Cincinnati, Ohio, right in the middle, right in the heart of Cincinnati, too. Just stunningly beautiful. This is something that you'll never see again very often, is a deck coating system that's 2 years in, that's this beautiful. Man, it's really such a gorgeous structure. When you look down there in the post and the deck post and the things like that, you can see how Kong really stands out. None of the cracks in the deck post are open, right? So before we did all this, it had big, large checking in it, and they were letting in tons of water, right? We have a special filler. It's called silverback epoxy that we fill those all in with, and we coat over top of it. But all the post, I'll zoom in for you. You won't find any open cracks in them. Nowhere for water to enter. Just superior across the board. It's lifetime deck armor. It's the world's toughest deck armor. And it's for real. It's not fake. It's not a gimmick. Kong, we stay with our system owners for life. And we have been for over 12 years now here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, and Southeast Indiana. This deck, we have 300 more just like it, from the ages of 2 years old all the way up to 12 years old, that have been encapsulated in the Kong armor, the lifetime deck armor system, and have never needed completely painted, stained, or refinished again. So I guess the question I'm asking is, why haven't you made the switch yet? Why haven't you made the switch to the lifetime deck armor system, the world's toughest deck armor? 1/5 the cost of composite. It has a better warranty. Composite doesn't have a service promise. Composite can't offer you that. A new deck can't offer you that. So if you have an existing deck, you need to protect it. You want it to look beautiful. There's really only one real solution here in the tri-state. And we're getting ready to expand across the nation too as well. Visit kongarmor.com. Get in for a free quote. Get locked down. Get encapsulation. See ya.